Today I'm going to be showing you how to install another flag decal on the back of your sliding glass on your pickup truck. The other one that I had on, car wash took it off. It lasted a while, but I got another one that's better. This is how it comes. In the video description, I will have links to where you can purchase yours. Nicely wrapped. It's not going to bend up. Open it up. You can tell they take pride in their shipping. I never got no decal protected like this here. Like that. There's your stars and stripes in black. I'll show you on the truck how to prep the glass and how to install it. Okay, the first thing you're gonna want to do is get yourself a glass cleaner. I use this on almost every single glass and decal installs and cleaning. You can imagine this is good stuff right here. After you have it thoroughly cleaned, you're gonna take newspaper with alcohol. Newspaper don't leave no lint behind. You're gonna put some on there. And you're gonna go over it again. Now this flag is cut out for the exact dimension of your window, as you can see. Okay? So here we go. You're gonna take it, pry it off halfway. You're gonna work halfway. We're gonna work from this side, this way. And we're gonna line up our topmost corner of the flag to this corner right here. That's how we're gonna go. Fold it back like so. Get a nice sharp line like so. Now you're gonna line yourself up as good as you can. You're gonna make sure you're going straight across like so. Don't get your fingers. Don't get your fingers behind on the decal. Okay? A little bit higher. There we go. A note here is you have a little overhang on the protective cover, so you're gonna want to start a little bit higher so the whole thing fits on. Okay. Now that you have it in and it's straight, start working it down. You're gonna go from this way to that way. You're gonna go with it. So this prevents air pockets. Okay, little at a time. Okay, just like so. So this is locked in right now. Now you pry it back a little bit more. And as you pry back, you work it across. Just like so. The reason why I'm putting another decal on like this, because the previous one, after a couple car washes, it came off. The stripes started peeling back. So this company here has better adhesion, better decals. It's made out of better material. Okay. Little at a time. There's no rush here. Like so. Don't let it fold in. Hold it back and go across. Okay. Each individual line you want to press in. Like so. Just like so. Okay. Now you have it down. You're gonna take credit card. This is called a squeegee. It's a plastic squeegee. This is what I use for all my decals in the store. It's flexible and it's rubberized. You're gonna take it, you're gonna work from the center out each way, and then from the center up. Pressing firmly and glide it across the protective cover. You hear that noise? That's air pockets popping out, little air bubbles. There's that way. Like that. Focus on the decal, don't worry about the protective cover. Nice strokes. Just like so. More air pockets. You get that in the stars on the protective cover. Like so. In the video description, I have a link where you can purchase yours. They have matte black, which is this one, matte silver, like I said, which is a faded silver color. And then they also supply a blue stripe, or a red stripe, or a green stripe that you could overlay over here, okay, for your police, fire department, or military support. Okay, I'm going with this way because I have another decal over here for the police. Got family on the job, and I always support them. Okay, now you're going to take your protective cover and come from an angle, and you're going to go this way and gently prying it off, making sure you don't get no rips and it's coming off smooth and you're not peeling back your cover, your decal. Nice and smooth. You're basically rolling it off like that. This way, see? It's a beautiful thing here. Got one air pocket right here. You work it out with your finger. And if you can't work it out, you could get a needle, a fine needle, and put it in the center of the air pocket, and then you go like this with your finger and the air will come out. Simple. So far none. That one just worked itself out. There you go. If you look right here, there's one little air pocket right near the edge. You can work them out. Pop, and it's out. One more right here. Works it right out. Let me give you a close up. There you go. Beautifully installed, high quality, guaranteed to last way longer than my other flag has. This is what it looks like from the inside facing out. Doesn't block your view, you can see right through the lines, no problem. These are the decals that you can order that go in between the flags and the back. This is what it looks like. You got to place that over your lines and it'll fit in between the stripes on the flag. Well, whoever you want to support, they got you covered. That flag right there offends so many people, even those born in this country. So this flag offends you, pack your stuff, get the hell out the country. Because so many people gave their lives defending that flag and the people of this country. The least you can do is show respect to that flag. And if you subscribe to my channel, you leave a comment down below. In a month, I'm going to be giving away one of these decals, and that's all you have to do to win it. Just leave a comment, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll be sending you one of these. I'll pick a comment out at random. Be proud of your country. Support those who defend your lives. That's the police, that's the firemen, that's the military. Unsung heroes right there, okay? While you're home at night sleeping, they're out doing God's work to keep our country safe. Questions, comments, leave them below. I get back to everybody.